wasn't that just amazing, guys? I'm sure your mind was also blown like mine was when you heard more about the Zenfone Max Pro. Now the good news is we actually got ourselves a unit and we are about to unbox it. So stay tuned and watch more. You will see the actual phone for yourself.
Thanks for the great introduction, Kathy. Now let's proceed with the unboxing. After sliding the top cover, we can immediately see the protective casing that comes with every Zenfone Max Pro. Then we can immediately see the phone. It's a nice 6-inch phone, as you can see here, very well built. Let's slide it off the protective cover. It has a very premium feel to it. Now let's power this thing on. That was a nice and quick boot up. Now let's see what else comes in the box. Proceeding to the rest of the unboxing, we can see here it comes with a power plug, a set of really nice earphones. It also comes standard with different sizes of earbuds, a power cable which is USB to micro USB, Picking up the phone again, we can see it has a very nice, very bright screen. It also has the screen lock and the volume toggle button on the right side of the phone. At the bottom, we can see the earphone jack together with the charging port. You can also see the SIM card tray together with the micro SD tray. All in all, it's a very nice looking phone. We will be taking this phone out for a real world review soon. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and join our tribe. Click that notification icon to see what's coming from techbeatph.com.